Hey praisers and savers, I haven't couponed all week, but I'm getting back into it today on Thursday, September the 23rd. I actually just went into Walgreens. They're having the 90% off with all their spring and their summer items. Sorry, I'm gonna have a flare on my glasses. Spring and summer items, and so I went in there to get some things for my classroom, and they had a lot of balls so we can like play soccer and football and all that at recess. And so I went in there and I was able to get tons of things for my classroom. My total was like $100 and something, and I only spent $12. But what was so amazing is this lady who was also clearance shopping, we started talking, and I told her I was getting bubbles and all that stuff for my classroom. Well, when she went to check out, she bought 2 packs of the ball, little 3-section ball things. It was like a soccer ball, a basketball, and a football. And she gave them to me, and she gave me like 3 packs, and that was just so sweet and warmed my heart so much. And shout out to her, whoever she is, and she was really sweet, and I blew kisses at her as she walked out the door. So be good to people like that. So nice. But all right guys, we're heading to Publix. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe, and let's get going. First thing that we're going to be picking up today at Publix is this pearl milling syrup or the mix. So the syrup is for $3.66. The mix is for $3.45. Let's focus on that. So we're going to pick up 2 boxes. We're going to use this $1 off coupon that we got a couple weeks ago in the paper, making these for 2 boxes $2.45, or for 1 box is going to be about $1.22-23 each. So $1.23 each per box. That's a really great deal. I'm going to pick up both syrup and pancakes for this. Alright guys, we have an amazing deal on the General Mills treat bars. There's no coupons needed on this. What you're going to do is you're going to pick up so you're just pretend like this. Let's pick up one. Let's pick up one of the General Mills bars, okay? When you do, you're getting $1.50 back on IBOTTA. But we can do this up to 5 times, and that's going to work really well. So let's do this. We're picking up 2 boxes. When we pick up 2 boxes, that's $3.89. Then, because you're picking up 2 boxes and you can submit that receipt to IBOTTA twice, you're submitting $3 back to IBOTTA. So $1.50 times 2 means you're only paying 89 cents for both boxes, or about 45 cents per box. This is an amazing deal. I'm picking this up for my students and my own children at home. Very, very, very excited. 45 cents. Make sure you submit to IBOTTA. And there is a bonus on this, but I probably won't get to that bonus. Got a money maker on the Success Garden Grains Bull in the Bag. Actually, 2 IBOTTA rebates are coming off, so no coupons needed on this. What you'll do is pay $1.99 at the register. You'll submit your receipt to IBOTTA. You're actually going to have 2 IBOTTA rebates. One is for $2.39 for the bowl in the bag, and the other one is for a 50-cent Success rice. So that's $2.89 in IBOTTA rebates, making this a 90-cent money maker. Awesome. All right, praisers and savers, we're heading to check out. All of this is going to be $2.44. We've got plenty of those treats, 5 boxes of those, the free rice, which is actually a money maker of 90 cents, and all of that there. So we're going to pay about $2.50 for everything after coupons and rebates. Let's do this. All right, guys, I didn't get much at Publix, but I did get 2 boxes of the pancake mix, 2 of the treat bars, and the rice, which was a money maker. I got all that for $2.44 after coupons and our rebate. Sorry, sounds like a wind tunnel in here. So that was pretty exciting to get some things, and you know, I did buy more, but I'm just showing you what I got with getting 2 and then 2 and then the rice. So all right guys, we're gonna head to CVS now and get our deals for the week. Hey guys, I just so happen to have 2 Walgreens in my area I live in, so I stopped at the second one. I start looking at the shelves. There's not really anything there. I'm like, well, you know, maybe I should walk around the store a little bit. Maybe there's some things on end caps. Oh my gosh, I was on the wrong aisle. I hit the mother load. It was like over $300 something worth of stuff. and I only paid $30. So amazing, amazing. You can't see it all back there, but look, that is all from one Walgreens. It's in the floor too, and all those pole floats and everything else. But I will have a picture up so you guys can see. But I'll have a lot of great things for my students and also for my own kiddos when we enjoy the pool next summer. So I know they'll be excited whenever we pull all this amazing stuff out. So, all right, let's head into CVS and let's get some deals. All right, our very first deal at CVS is going to be on this Crest mouthwash. These are the 1 liter bottles. They are $3.99. Original price is $5.79. So what we're going to do is pick up 3 bottles of these. When we do, we're going to pick up 3 bottles. We're going to get back $5 in extra care bucks, and there's also a $5 coupon on the app. So with the $5 coupon and getting back $5 extra care bucks, it's only going to be $1.97 for all 3 bottles. That is a really great deal. Alright, got a pretty good deal on this Irish Spring. I think it's going to be about 49 cents per bottle for this. So these are $3.99. We're going to pick up 2 of these, and when we do, there is a when you buy 2, you get $3 back in extra care bucks. So, and there's also a $1 coupon on the app. I thought I had a $1 coupon that was a printable, but I think it expired, so I can't use that. So we have a $1 coupon on the app. There's also a $3 store coupon when you buy 2. So we've got the $1 coupon on the app, we've got the $3 store coupon when you buy 2, and we got a $3 extra care buck coming back, making everything just 98 cents or 49 cents per bottle of Irish Spring. So it would have been free with that $1 coupon, but I will still take it. Alright guys, just left CVS. I only got the mouthwash and the Irish Spring this week. It just wasn't a great week for me. That's okay. That's how it is sometimes as a couponer. You don't have these massive hauls all the time. Everything was actually free. I didn't pay anything out of pocket. It was $0. There was one great thing that happened was the $5 Crest came off, and then additional $1 came off as well. So I only paid 94 cents for all 3 of the mouthwashes, but of course I had extra care bucks from previous transactions that cover everything. So everything in total with the 3 mouthwashes and the 2 Irish Springs ended up costing like less than $2, but of course I said I used some extra care bucks to cover the cost. But yeah, $2 for all that's pretty awesome. All right guys, I'm gonna see you next time. Thanks.